What's up? So guess what video this is? Guess. 1, 2, 3. Mystery boxes. So I'm going to do these kind of mystery boxes some more. You know, these is actually $20 worth. Yeah, $20. Better be worth it. So first thing first, if you want to like this video, go ahead and put a thumbs up. If you want, I'll try to make videos a bit better. I'm actually using my other phone's flashlight to make lighter, better quality. So yeah, first thing first, I'm gonna open up this one with a sharp knife. So and see what's in here. Yeah. Whoa. I got this. This is like monster gun. Alrighty. It's going good so far. I got this. Whatever this is. This is a fire starter tool. I'm actually going to try this outside, so if you want me to see these videos, I'll do it outside, because, you know, don't want to start a house. I got these fashion socks. How cool are these? I think it's like shotgun multi-tool where you can open cans and stuff. I'm not going to show you these. I'm actually going to go that way. I got a bike tire repair kit. Heck yeah. Thank you. Please leave positive. Got a candle. Yeah, there's one thing I'm not going to show you because it's not kid friendly for me either. Yeah. Some cool stuff. Yeah, there's some cool stuff. Now, for the big box. Oh my gosh, I got some Sharpies for school, y'all. So cool. Ooh. Ghostbusters! Look at this. I met one. It's cool. Got a dog leash. Look what else I got. Boing, yeah, for your tires. I got pencils. That's pretty cool. Really? There's nothing in here. I got a phone charger. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this mystery box. How cool is that? There's some stuff I didn't like this and this. But hey. if you really want me to do these kind of videos, give these videos a big thumbs up so I can know. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Comment down below any videos ideas. I really hope you like this video. I'm sorry this video is too boring. I'm gonna show you all my favorite things. Yeah. Fashion talk. I'm gonna show some y'all. Let's try this one on. Funny. Alright, so yeah, if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up.